Alright guys, in this video we're gonna be opening the largest album box that you can get for 2500 stars, and we're gonna be seeing what's inside of it. So it took me a while to get this, but let's go. Let's purchase this our 2500 star box. Let's go, exchange. So for the dice we get 345 and a bunch of packs, which is great. Hopefully it will help me complete some more albums. Unfortunately this looks like it's gonna be a bust, but no, actually we get classic gift, so that's good. We collect those and let's see what the other pack holds. I don't have high hopes for this, nothing special out of this pack. And the last one that we have is actually okay, Plunderful. I did not have that one. Don't think that's gonna complete an album for me, but we collect those, so that's what you can expect. Okay, actually we complete an album, that's great. So that's what you can expect from the 2500 star box in Monopoly Go. So leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.